Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the value of Basecamp. Now, I know what you're thinking. Basecamp is a project management tool. How can it possibly be worth anything? Well, I'm here to tell you that Basecamp is worth a lot more than you might think. In fact, I believe that Basecamp is one of the most valuable tools that any business can have. And in this video, I'm going to show you why. What is Basecamp? Before we get into the value of Basecamp, let's take a quick look at what it is. Basecamp is a project management tool that helps you to organize your work, collaborate with your team, and stay on top of deadlines. It's a great tool for businesses of all sizes, but it's especially useful for small businesses and startups. The benefits of Basecamp. There are a number of benefits to using Basecamp, but here are a few of the most important. It's easy to use. Basecamp is very user-friendly, so you can get up and running quickly. It's affordable. Basecamp is a relatively affordable tool, especially when compared to other project management tools on the market. It's powerful. Basecamp has a lot of features that can help you to be more productive. It's integrated with other tools. Basecamp integrates with a number of other tools, such as Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox. The value of Basecamp. Now that we know what Basecamp is and what its benefits are, let's talk about the value of Basecamp. I believe that Basecamp is worth a lot of money because it can help you to save time, money, and stress. Time. Basecamp can help you to save time by helping you to stay organized and on top of deadlines. For example, you can use Basecamp to create to-do lists, assign tasks to team members, and track the progress of your projects. Money. Basecamp can help you to save money by helping you to be more efficient. For example, you can use Basecamp to collaborate with your team members, which can help you to avoid making mistakes and wasting time. Stress. Basecamp can help you to reduce stress by helping you to feel more organized and in control of your work. When you know what you need to do and when you need to do it, it's easier to stay calm and focused. How to calculate the value of Basecamp. Now that we know the benefits of Basecamp, how can we calculate its value? There are a number of different ways to do this, but here is one simple method. Estimate the amount of time that you would save by using Basecamp. Multiply this number by your hourly rate. Add the amount of money that you would save by being more efficient. Add the amount of stress that you would reduce by using Basecamp. Once you have done these calculations, you will have a good idea of the value of Basecamp to your business. Basecamp is a valuable tool that can help you to save time, money, and stress. If you are looking for a way to improve your productivity and efficiency, I highly recommend giving Basecamp a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.